it's copyrighted and shit. Back in the city, back in the Lex. You know it's... Oh shoot, it's twin. Okay, a sport. I think another battle. See if we can get in this boy. He about to say that bitch. Oh, what? You know my dog had to pull up on me. Boy, we outside. Yes, sirski. Ooh, boy. Look at my son. Look at my son. Light skin. We got the nasty Q in here. About to get some nasty camber. You know what I'm saying? It's about to go down, boy.
Alright, no, it's your boy Nasty Q in the building.
Nasty Q, boy. We about to get him right. We about to get him right. Yup.
So what we got going on down here, bro?
They giving them cricket wheels.
Sun slide.
You know what I'm saying? You know.
Nah, but we added
fitted by K.
Added some arms. Boy getting his wheels on.
Hey, look, if y'all need y'all fitment right, come holler at me. Because I've been doing this for a long time now.
For a minute now.
Especially these Q50s.
That's the second one.
Damn.
I'm sad.
So we haven't put these bags on another one because he wanted to hit a manhole cover and total his shit.
Oh, shit.
Where you at?
Damn.
Right here.
Shaking my head.
Now I gotta boot out everything. Yeah, that's it.
Yo, YBH.
What up? Back again. On the way to the meet now. Trap house meet. Me and Chad rolling. He's behind me. We about to go pull up on the guys, see what's going on out here. I know a lot of people probably want to ask where the wheels at. They ain't on, as you can see. Having issues with the fronts, fitting the fronts, being the fact that this car is an F Sport and these brakes are freaking massive. So that's why they're not on. But we'll talk about that another day. That's right. I feel like I never get a point of view from the inside of somebody driving one of these lower static cars. For real, for real. Chad behind me. Yeah, I can see him a bit.
So they put us up, we told you little times, we shoot they getting low, it look like little things on Telegram, they say that, man, it's come out,
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Once he put some wheels on that junk gonna be hard. I ain't gonna cap.
Shorts on, yo.
I keep looking, I'm like, yo, this dude got shorts on. That's something you just can't do, like. Alright, come on with the play.
Yeah, he got 40 on that wall.
4Gs don't play with him. When I get an IM around with the doors up like that. Sure. I'm tired of that joint on TikTok. I ain't even.
And this for the YouTube video?
Yes, it is.
Hey, I ain't got nothing to say. I'm about to be like Elliot.
Hey guys, it's Elliot here.
Hey, Elliot. I ain't gonna say it is. Hey, little man.
Everybody around me good, feelings, everybody around me thug. Don't try to my cousin. Everybody around me click, everybody around me click, everybody around me click.